Danke bafethu, sokuvela ama-report ukuthi wonke ama-player we-Ajax Cape Town noma-ke i-team seyibizwa manje nge-Cape Town Spurs angajoyina ama-team mahhala. Sikhulumeni ngeplayer lalifuneka kakhulu laphana eNaturena just before isizini iqala, uVelebayi. Lo Cape Town Spurs yamblock ukuthi ajoyine i-Kaizer Chiefs, yayifuna i-10 million. Kuthiwa i-Kaizer Chiefs yasubmitha 4 to 5 million but-ke yarejectwa leyo mali. Ba-choose ukuthi umfana baye naye kumCiPes Championship. Cabanga babulale umfana ngabe usala ku-PSL yabo ngoba bona bafuna imali eningi. So manje kuyavela ukuthi uVelebayi namanye ama-player walaphana ku-Cape Town Spurs angahamba mahhala ajoyine ama-team a-professional. So isizathu ukuthi-ke manje njengoba i-Cape Town Spurs i-relegate-iwe laphana iya kuma-amateur league laphana kusho ukuthi ama-league angekho professional. So noma ngabe imaphi ama-team angabathatha labadlali laba mahhala without i-cent. But-ke khona-ke imali abangayithola ilo i-Cape Town Spurs ngokuthi baba-develop abafana, but leyo mali akusiyi-20 million or 10 million lebe bayifuna. Mhlampe-ke kuthiwa mangathiwa nje iplayer liyadura kungaba 1 million or 500,000. Imali nje yonke i-team yaku-PSL engakwazi ukuyikhipha for lo mfana lo, cause i-Cape Town Spurs yayifuna i-10 million for umfana odlale isizini eyodwa laphana ku-PSL yabo, and then wa-relegate. Manje seba-relegate to a third division which is i-amateur according to i-South African football yabo. So this time around-ke sobona ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs izoyi-renew na i-interest yakhe, umfana ikwazi ukumthatha mahhala, noma-ke i-Cape Town Spurs izofuna-ke maybe leyo 500,000 yokuthi some-develop umfana, but le mali lebe bayifuna just before isizini iqala ngeke baphinde bayithole because manje i-team seyidlala ku-amateur. But-ke solinda sibone ngoba ihlulekile ukushaya i-Durban City angithi i-Cape Town Spurs ku-last match of the season. So basubmithe i-complaint laphana ku-PSL ukuthi badlalise umdlalo ongarejistwanga. So bafuna ukusurvive ngokuthi kuye ema-court lawe PSL sobona ukuthi i-DC but izothini. But as things stand ngokushawa nje egroundini i-Cape Town Spurs ishayiwe, ihambile-ke lapha iye le ebhuqwini madoda edustini. So sobona ukuthi abadlali abafana noboVelebayi siyazi ukuthi abadlali lo mdlali lo nje uzodlala ku-PSL, but kuzoya ngokuthi manje yiphi i-team ezomconvince ngempela ukuthi ayijoyine because sambona umfana ukuthi u-super talented, nanokuthi vele udeserve ukudlala ku-Premier Division ye-South African football, hayi lena phansi yabo. Cape Town City why ngithi Cape Town City i-Cape Town Spurs yaba greedy yona. Cabanga umfana une-chance ukuthi ahlale ku-PSL, bona bahamba naye baya le ku-National First Division. Imali yakhe ayi-improve iyayehla cause obviously iyehla because baba-relegateile ngapha bamvalela i-opportunity yokuthi umfana ashintshe impilo yakhe aye ku-Kaizer Chiefs. But-ke ba-relegate-iwe this time around, abana-chance, umfana uyahamba-ke manje. It's just a matter ukuthi yena uzokhetha yiphi i-team yaku-PSL ezomsign. But-ke i-team beyimgijimisa kakhulu i-Kaizer Chiefs. Ngicabanga ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs ine-chance if isamdinga i-Kaizer Chiefs kuzoya ngabe if isamdinga ine-chance ngempela ukuthi imthole laphana umfana close to nothing, hayi le 10 million befunwa i-Cape Town Spurs. Danko bafowethu.